Quantum technology spa capsule. Absolutely painless, comfortable with minimal contraindications for relaxation of the whole body and restoration of cellular activity metabolism. Scientific developments include the innovation is based on the oldest natural method of healing on Oriental Medicine, the diaphoretic method of SAUNA. The capsule includes thermal, infrared, photonic, mineral therapy, and magneto-therapy technologies. Principle of operation. The carbon fiber from which the capsule is made converts the energy field into thermal IR radiation. Energy minerals form an energetic magnetic field under the influence of heat. The photon emitter has waves of deep penetration into the depths of the human body and continuously generates anions. Thanks to the combined effort of these technologies, we get a synergistic effect to improve the entire state of the body utilizing photonic infrared lamp, energy magnets, carbon fiber heater, pulse massage, nanomaterial with IR radiation function. The functionality and technical parameters include two-zone process, control with separate control of the support part, thermal mattress, and the covering surface, the thermal bedspread. High precision temperature control from 40 to 60 degrees Celsius in 1 degree increments. Infrared sauna, infrared radiation in the range of 9 to 14 microns. Procedural therapeutic timer clock from 10 to 60 minutes with a parameter of 10 minutes. Pulse massage in 6 modes from P1 to P6. The monitor is attached by 2 cables to the mattress and blanket and operated by the remote control. Upon the choice of the user, it can be adjusted to your specific need of the 6 pulse massage modes. Achieved effect. Cleansing and detoxification at the cellular level, activation of metabolism, correction of posture and body shape, reducing excess weight, slowing down the aging process, and yin-yang energy balance. The expected cost of the spa capsule is $2,136 US each, plus $64 training and certification. The subtotal is $2,200 US as our new VIP spa program, which is similar to the VIP program of $2,000, which includes the bioenergy massage device.